velocity 10 meter per second and returns back with velocity 12 meter per second. The particle moves distance from A to B with velocity 10 meter per second, A to B with velocity 10 meter per second, and returns back with velocity 12 meter per second. So what will be the average speed? Find average velocity. Find average velocity and average speed. So how do we find this? So for this, see, we are provided with the speed 10 meter per second forward speed and 12 meter per second backward speed. So suppose this distance is x. What will be time for forward journey? So time for forward journey we will find first. So x by 10, that is time for forward journey, so suppose tf, and time for backward journey tb, that will be again x by 12. So this is the time. Now for finding velocity, suppose we write it like this, velocity, it will be how much velocity?
0.
Total distance. So x plus x. Total distance we will first write that x plus x divided by total time, tf plus tb. So total displacement, how much will be total displacement? Actually it will be 0 because particle is going forward and coming backward. So I should not write like this, it will be like this, so it will be 0. Because total displacement is 0, that's why velocity is, average velocity is 0. If you write average speed, how much it will be average speed? There we have to write total distance covered. So distance covered is what? X forward and x backward. So x plus x divided by tf plus tb. So how much it will be? 2x divided by x by 10 plus x by 12. So it is 2 into 10 into 12 divided by 10 plus 12. So how much it will be? 240 by 22. So in this way we can find average speed will be this much. So this is the formula also. You can write, means if you have this kind of motion, forward motion and backward motion, then you can write 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2 as average speed. You can write it like this. 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2 can be taken as average speed. Okay. Now move to next question. Suppose a car is there. Suppose a car is there and it travels a distance. Suppose 1 hour with a speed 10 km per hour and 2 hours with a speed 20 km per hour. What will be average speed or average velocity? Find average speed. The car is traveling on a straight line. For 1 hour it moves with speed 10 km per hour and for next 2 hours it moves with 20 km per hour. So what is average speed? So for average speed what we will do? Total distance traveled by total time. So total distance traveled will be 1 hour into 10 km per hour, 2 hours into 20 kilometer per hour divided by 1 hour plus 2 hours. So it will be how much? 10 plus 40 divided by 3. So 50 by 3 we are getting. So we are getting 50 by 3. So approx 16 point. It will be approx 16.7 kilometer per hour. In the same question, instead of given time, if the car was given, in the same question, instead of time, if the car was given from A to B, if it was given that it covers X distance with speed 10 km per hour and 2x distance with speed 20 km per hour, then what is the average speed? Find average speed. So in this case, for finding average speed, what we are going to do is total displacement. So that is x plus 2x and total time. So time will be what? Time will be x by 10 and 2x by 20. So 2x by 20. So it will be 3x divided by the total time taken. So it will be how much? It will be x by 10 and here also it is x by 10. So if we solve it, we are going to get 3x by x by 5. So 15 kilometer per hour. So you can see in two different examples, in the above two examples, you can see that how to solve it. Means in the first one, when time is given, you can directly do like this. In the formula you can write here. The formula which you can write is T1 V1 plus T2 V2 divided by T1 plus T2. This is the formula for average speed. And for this one, you can write a formula x1 plus x2 divided by x1 by v1 plus x2 by v2. So this is the thing which we have done in these two cases. So you can use these two formula for these two cases and you can solve.